Dp-10. Then here they ask to calculate what PV ratio, then B, profit when sale is equal to 40,000, which means if sales is 40,000, what will be the profit? Then number C, new break-even point if selling price reduced by 10%. As usual, first we are going to prepare a marginal cost sheet based on the given information. Sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution minus fixed cost is equal to profit. Actually, fixed cost is given how much? 8,000. Then break-even point is given what? 20,000. Variable cost per unit is given, but we don't know what is the number of unit. If number of unit is given, we can easily calculate the things. First, they asked the marginal cost is still pending, but we can fill it easily. Wait. Here, what is the hint? Break-even point is given. So, what is the actual equation to find out PV ratio? PV ratio is equal to what is contribution divided by sales into 100. But here we don't know what is contribution, we don't know what is sales, then how we can find out? So another way, think like this. What is the equation for break-even point? Fixed cost divided by contribution per unit, or another equation. Think wisely. PV ratio. Break-even point, we know that. How much is the break-even point? 20,000. Fixed cost, we know 8,000. PV ratio, from here we can easily compute PV ratio. Okay, let you know how to calculate this. Do you know? Yeah, cross multiplication. 20,000 into what is this? PV ratio. 20,000 into PV ratio. 20,000 PV ratio is equal to 1 into 8,000 is equal to 8,000. So therefore PV ratio is equal to 8,000 is here. Here what is into, when it's come to the right side, another side, that means right hand side, it will be divided by opposite, which means divided by 20,000 into 100. How much will be the percentage? 40? Yes, 40% is correct. Yeah, from here we can feel that this statement. How variable cost, contribution is equal to 40%. Then variable cost is equal to 60%. Then sale is equal to 100%. Keep trying. Sales we know. What is the sales? Yeah, don't worry. Sometimes we like this. Okay, like keep another method. It will not work. The next one, no. It's be like this. We don't know. I'm not by hearting anything. Try. Keep trying. Next what? Profit. When sales is 40,000. That we can easily find out. Yeah. B. Part B. What is sales is equal to 40,000 minus variable cost will be, we know the relation, will be 60%. So the contribution will be 40% or sales minus variable cost. What is the variable cost? 60% 40,000. 24,000. So it will come 16,000 minus fixed cost will not change. It is 8,000. So the profit will be 8,000. So we got the answer for B. Okay, you got it?
Yes.
How many of you got this? Congratulations. Mashallah, mashallah. Okay. Next, final part of this question is C. What is C? New break-even point if selling price reduced by 10%. That little bit interesting. Actually, here we want to give some assumption. Otherwise, we can't go further. So, the question is that, what is the question? What is new break-even point if selling price reduced by, please respond yes, 10%. Do you know selling price? No, but we can assume. I assume selling price is equal to 100. When it is reduced by 10%, it will come 10 minus 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. This is the new selling price. Sir, why did you assume 100? Can't you assume 150? Yeah, you can assume 150, 200, anything. Okay? Clear? We can do, after this, we can take another assumption also. Let's apply that. Okay, yeah, then relax. New BEP. What is the equation? Yeah, so then if new selling price is 90, what is the variable cost? Variable cost remain unchanged. It is 60%. If selling price is increase or decrease, will not make any change in direct material cost, direct labor cost, direct expense. No. Variable cost will be remain unchanged. So it is 60% of 90. What will be the 60% of 90? 50. 40, 50. Fix in one number. What is 50? Variable cost. So the contribution will be 40. 54. 60% of 90. 54. Okay. 54. So the contribution will be okay. What is the question? New break-even point. What is the contribution divided by sales into 100? Excuse me. Contribution is equal to 36 divided by sales is equal to 90 into 100. What will be the percentage? 40. No, there is mistake. Shh. Listen. Yeah. Actually, up to this it's okay. We know that selling price is not based on what? Variable cost is not based on selling price. What was the selling price? Assume. Wait. When selling price is equal to rupees 100, that time variable cost is equal to 100 into 60% is equal to 60. This variable cost will not change. Okay. What did I do here? I mistakenly take 60% on new selling price. No, not like that. It will not vary. Okay, it's fixed per unit. So let's try. When selling price reduced, it will come how much? 100 minus 10% is equal to 90. But variable cost still 60. Okay, great. Sales per unit is equal to 90 minus variable cost per unit is equal to 60. So the contribution will be 30. From here we can find out PV ratio. PV ratio is equal to 30 contribution divided by 90 into 100. I think 33 point something, 33.333%. You got concept, yes? Last time what did I do? I took variable cost as what? 60% on selling price. That will not work. നമുക്ക് ഡയറക്റ്റ് മെറ്റീരിയലും ഡയറക്റ്റ് ലേബറും ഡയറക്റ്റ് എക്സ്പെൻസും ഒന്നും മാറില്ലല്ലോ. അത് എത്ര ഉള്ളത്? 60 ആണ്. അഥവാ ഒരു സാധനം ഉണ്ടാക്കാനുള്ള വാരിയബിൾ കോസ്റ്റ് എത്ര ഉള്ളത്? 60 അല്ലേ? സെല്ലിംഗ് പ്രൈസ് മാർക്കറ്റിൽ 100-നാണ് വിറ്റിരുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ സാഹചര്യങ്ങളുടെ സമ്മർദ്ദം കൊണ്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? 10% കുറച്ച് 90 രൂപയ്ക്ക് വിൽക്കേണ്ടി വന്നു. അപ്പോഴും വാരിയബിൾ കോസ്റ്റ് ഒരെണ്ണം ഉണ്ടാക്കാനുള്ള കോസ്റ്റ് എത്ര തന്നെ? 60. മേയ് ഓക്കെ. ഒന്നുകൂടെ, നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി ഈ വാച്ച് വിറ്റുകൊണ്ടിരുന്ന പൈസ എത്ര? 100 രൂപ. ക്ലിയർ അല്ലേ? ഇത് ഉണ്ടാക്കാനുള്ള കോസ്റ്റ് എത്ര? ഈ ഉണ്ടാക്കാനുള്ള കോസ്റ്റാണ് വാരിയബിൾ കോസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചൂടെ? അല്ലേ? അല്ലേ? ഇതിൻ്റെ പ്രൈസ് എത്രയാക്കി കുറയ്ക്കുകയാണ് നമ്മൾ? 90 ആക്കിയ. അപ്പോൾ വാരിയബിൾ കോസ്റ്റ് കുറയോ? ഇല്ല, അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. നേരത്തെ ഞാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? സെല്ലിംഗ് പ്രൈസിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. ദാറ്റ്സ് മൈ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക്, സോറി. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ 33%. What is the main part of the question? Break-even point. If selling price reduced by 10%, break-even point is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost is 8,000. It will not change. Divided by 33.333%. What will be the final answer? What? 24,240. Why you want the calculation? 240 ആണോ വരിക? 8,000 ഡിവൈഡ് ബൈ 33.33% അടിച്ചാൽ 240 മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. 24,000 ആയിക്കോട്ടെ. 2 20 പോയിന്റ്. ഇനി പോയിന്റ് ഉണ്ടാ? 40. ഓക്കെ. Do you want much more better clarity? The same question I do another way. Listen. You may ask that, sir, why did you take selling price as 100? Here I am going to take selling price rupees 200. Okay, then variable cost is equal to 200 into 60% is equal to 120. Am I correct? Yeah. When the same pattern, when the selling price reduced, what will happen? Here instead of 100 minus 10% 90, here what should I do? 200 minus 10% is equal to 180. Am I correct? Up to this very perfect. Why this kind of response? Very perfect. Yeah, then sales is equal to 180 minus variable cost is equal to 60. എടാ, അത് വേറെ സെല്ലിംഗ് പ്രൈസിലല്ലേ? നിങ്ങൾ അതിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ തന്നെ നിൽക്കുകയാണോ? സെല്ലിംഗ് പ്രൈസ് 60 അവിടെ നമ്മൾ കാണുമ്പോൾ, ഇവിടെ കാണുമ്പോൾ 200-ന്റെ മുകളിലാണ് വരിക. ഇതിനനുസരിച്ച് മാറും, പക്ഷെ ഇനി അടുത്ത് വരുന്നതിനനുസരിച്ച് മാറില്ലെന്നാ. 120 not 60. Yeah, that you mean? Yeah, sorry. When I am asking variable cost, you gave me the reply of contribution, then it will make mistake. Then PV ratio is equal to 60 divided by 180 into 100. What will be the amount? Exactly, that's all. Any number you can assume as selling price. Okay? But you had better to take 100 as a basic price. Okay, that's all about this particular question. You try to do yourself. If you have any doubt, let me